Welcome sa Luto na po. For today's video, we will cook a healthy breakfast. Ginisang ground pork with mixed veggies. Saute the garlic and the red onion. Mix it well. And follow the ground pork. Let's put some salt, ground bell pepper, and seasoning to taste. Mix it again. And then let's put the mixed veggies. You know. And then magic. Add Mamacita's oyster sauce. Magic na po. And then let's add slurry, mix cornstarch and cold water to form a smooth, thin paste. And add a little bit of water. Mikos na po. Luto na po ang ating ginisang pork with mixed veggies. Yun, no? Pwede ring pambaon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!